All right, and welcome back to my shed, or welcome to my shed if you haven't been here before. In this video, we are going to look at an LED sign I got from Temu. This cost me £10 something. I was going to get it for the kitchen. I don't know if I'll keep it in the kitchen. I don't know if my wife will let me put it in the kitchen. But I thought it looked nice on Temu, which everything does, doesn't it? It's USB operated, so you're going to need the power supply. It gives you a little sticker like this, so if you want to stick it on something, but I wouldn't trust these. And it's got a little chain as well if you want to put it on a chain, and it's got little holes in the back. You've got two stickers, so what's in here then? Oh, there's another way to have a look at that. And you've got, oh yeah, if you want to screw it on the wall, you've got little plugs there for it. It's not bad, is it? Not bad looking as it is, even without it switched on, you know. So if you can see that, coffee. It's got a little controller here, so you control everything with it. I didn't even know it had one. So what does it say in the instructions? Yes, I'm reading it for you people who say, read the instructions. Wow. What is that? Oh, in one of the pictures, it had a little stand with it, and it was sitting on a stand. And I was going to put this on the stand that was in the picture, but obviously the stand didn't come with it, which is a shame. I think it's all different languages. So anyway, let's get the charger in and we'll stick it on. Shall we get rid of the old boxo? Another one for the recycling. So let's turn it on. Power. Wow, now that is bright. Can you see that? Look at that. Can you see? Coffee. Oh, have a coffee. So what can you do with it? Press the down button. Oh, that's nice. You can actually lower the brightness, that's better, isn't it? So that's not bad. Is that all you can do? Yeah. So you want it bright. Jeepers, that's bright. Off, on. Yeah, that's all this does. If you hold on to it, it goes dimmer. If you hold up, it goes brighter. So yeah, once it's set pretty much where you want it. So what do you think? The quality's, it's okay. I like it. I might, if the wife doesn't want it in the kitchen, I'll keep it in the shed. Whoop, in the shed somewhere. That's what I'll do. So it's not bad, is it? Coffee. Yeah, this was £8, or did I say a tenner? I can't remember now. I've had this for a while, just been in the shed. The weather hasn't been great, so I haven't bothered with coming in here to make a video. So what do you think? Would you like this in your kitchen or your shed or whatever it is you want to put it? I think it's quite good, to be honest. Right a bit. Yeah. See if I can get a fun thumbnail. Coffee. That's all right, that, yeah? Okay. So this is it. If you want your own version of this coffee thing, jump onto Temu, and got your own. I think for the money, I think this is a really good deal, to be honest with you. I think it's a really good deal. And that'd look nice. You know, you could stick this on a shelf and hide these wires if you wanted to. A little power adapter behind you, or a little socket if you've got one there. And sorted. I don't know, I might stick this in my shed yet. We'll see. Until the next time, take care. Bye-bye.
Tap the box, peel the seal, What's inside could be a steal. Bits and bobs, cool little things. Unbox a little bit of everything within a Mars. Snap the clip, tear the tape. Every package a new escape. Tools and toys, big and small. Vinnie Mars unboxes it all with Vinnie Mars. Click to play, watch and see what surprises wait for me. Gadgets, gizmos, every fine and unboxing journey, one of a kind with Vinnie Mars. From Temu to Ali, treasures unpack. All defines with clever knack. Argos, dreams, and eBay go. Each unboxed thrill, a story told with Vinnie Mars. So come on down, don't miss the fun. Vinnie Mars unboxes one by one. Like, subscribe, hit that bell. Join the journey, stories to tell with Vinnie Mars. So come on down, don't miss the fun. Vinnie Mars unboxes one by one. Like, subscribe, hit that bell. Join the journey, stories to tell with Vinnie Mars. Catch the thrill, watch the show. What's inside? Let's all